Yeah.
Minister nya pinma pretek ni jara san magumi tadero magumi go tiengom the big mic
Ttaka the Administrator General. This is Administrator General's Act. The government Administrator General yeyeka omuntu yenanga.
Honorable Minister, twatula nga family netulondawo committee. There is a committee now managing.
Magoya Ttaka Union. So from Mayanja down to Cape Town, those are matters have been handled before coming here. In the region, Northern Corridor, that is my signature there.
en kagi kwat partia shell nya wa minister nya pinma pretek ni jara san magumi tadero magumi go tiengom the big mic.
This, however, excludes the UPDF representatives who may not be in the know of the substance of the issues involved. You see, this is His Excellency the President, the owner of all authority. This one of land holding by holding out on things which don't. A traditional leader or cultural leader.
And I want to apologize to the family of late Mayanja, who thinks I'm a thief, I'm a terrorist, I'm bad. Who received that propaganda tarnishing my name. People don't know me. People have never shared any contact with anybody. But the way they talk against me, it's so absurd. I struggled to recover their land. I protected from grabbers, but that's what they have paid me. But anyway, I apologize. The Honorable Minister, I am on this land. I have a sub-lease.
That's what I want to hear. I want to hear. If you have a sub-lease, that's what the law will defend.
So if you allow me to finish my submission, then I give you the conclusions, Honorable Minister.
Okay, do it.
Don't get annoyed on me. I think you because the person I was talking about was Chiza, who came and told me.
No, you're telling me about
Chiza.
Chiza has nothing to do. He's a criminal who should have been arrested by the administration. You are just a weak administrator if you didn't raise Chiza and the brigadier is talking about it. A criminal is going about, he has not been arrested.
I wanted to give
and you, every Ugandan, I want to tell you, every Ugandan has a constitutional right to arrest anybody suspected of doing a crime. Found a new owner except the president. So all those traditional leaders who appoint Abami Abasasa, Abami Abamagombora, Bawad, he has no fountain. That's the only power to appoint.
But the truth is, Bano, imwe basebo orukubahemukira no gumukuru wanyu. Urugedi yatenda buzubu abokuba Ttaka owari muhere no gumukuru wanyu. Who is the administrator? I don't know whether he's still the administrator because there is a law that passed. So now he's expired. So it is your right to sit. I'm not judging, sir. Let me not go there, but I should tell them the truth and I tell them the law. It is your right to sit. Nemunonya administrator omulala because this gentleman is expired. He cannot be an administrator unless now, when I got to know the truth, I held a meeting in my office and called all these people. I don't know what kind of God you believe in.
Obuwanguzi bwaffe twagala ttaka lyaffe lyonna kubanga ekyakituufu yadde nga minisita agambye mbu agreement eyakolebwa eri mu mateeka kale kakebeere mu mateeka naffe nga family tulabira ddala mbu amateeka olumu ganyiga naye tetulina kyagakolera gatunyize ku ekyo naye kasita ebitaano tumusuuzizza ate taliiko bbanga ddene mu bbanga eritali lyawala agenda kubava ku ttaka lyaffe ate the good thing mbu batuteereddewo ne windo ey'okuddamu okukola ki okunegotiatinga agreement ye gye yakola n'omusika waffe tugenda kutuula ne Madam Fiona tugenda kuddamu tugitunulemu ze kyemmanyi tewagenda kubulwa ki kukaanya nga minisita bwe yagambye we are going to arrive at a win-win situation
bayizire bami mwe bali kutubeerera abakuba ensonga zino zibaire for long tubatulinga bana abantu for almost last 4 years batwakana kusamba itaka lino tutakukiza kusambayo but from today at least a way forward nga muntu wena kukiza kusamba we shall be allowed to use our land from today. Otherwise
those quotas were there. And as
and
I've
told you, I've guided you.
So after
legally you
after agreeing with them that they should shift to one part so that they leave another part for the family. That was my real wish I had to discuss. But that thing was not easy. People move today, the following day you find 10 have come. So what I had to look for somebody to help me, to make sure what is free remains free. Otherwise, by now, if there was nobody to make sure that place remains free, I want to assure you there would be no place to place a leave.
That person is General, is here.
So the very person I'm talking about is Brigadier General Navasa Peter Ankunda.
But let me ask you, what stopped you from disputing it at that time?
So, okubala ekintu kino abinutine daro lemenu ono munamaje Brigadier Bassa mwalimbadde walinga ayogera ng'omuntu ategeera naye wanate yaliwo ng'ayonoona ebintu kaakati nze girinja kuwandikira komanda owa UPDF omusajja yasooka muyimirize bamunoonyerezeeko mbadde walinga ndowooza ati njogera na muntu kosi njogera na kisolo ate tewabadde amwogerako bonna bagamba nendagira yiika lusangu nkuzimutire kakati ndagira ezo yiika ya bazibe bazisazeemu n'akamu era okusinza byonna byewano egyonna
whether it's Milo, whether it's what. If somebody is grabbing it, they will come to the RDC. They will come to the DPC. They will take control. Don't just get an individual because he has military gears and therefore he comes and guards it. You guard land by law. It's the law. Echibanja holders his rights. And those rights are defended by the administration in place. The one here, the president put in place is these people, the RDC. They are the security committee. The directives I've given you here, they are not to you or to any brigadier or whoever. They are to these people. The consultation they give is not to you or to anybody else. It's to me as the Minister of Lands. Don't bring those things here. What I want you to say, how did you get on that land? What are your arguments? What are the solutions you want to give?
What are your minister let me first give you this one?
No, I don't want that.
I'm saying
I have said I am the one chairing this meeting. I'm not getting one. I want things, then you go.
The Honorable Minister, I am on this land. I have a sub-lease.
That's what I want to hear. I want to hear. If you have a sub-lease, that's what the law will defend.
So if you allow me to finish my submission, then I give you the conclusions, Honorable Minister.
Okay, do it.
Don't get annoyed on me. I think you because the person I was talking about was Chiza, who came and told me.
No, you're
that
telling me about Chiza. Chiza has nothing to do. He's a criminal who should have been arrested by the administration. You are just a weak administrator if you didn't raise Chiza and the brigadier is talking about it. A criminal is going about, he has not been arrested.
I wanted to give
and you, every Ugandan, I want to tell you, every Ugandan has a constitutional right to arrest anybody suspected of doing a crime.